If your knees are giving you trouble in hero pose and you can't quite sit all the way down, then I have a few tips for you. Hero pose is excellent for the mobility of your knees and your hips, but the problem is that we're never really taught how to get into this pose. So let's dive in because I've got 3 tips that will help you to approach this in a much more friendlier way. Props that save your knees. If you're doing hero pose in yoga and your bottom can't quite touch the mat, then there's a few props you should consider. Hero pose can offer a deep stretch through your quads and then through your hips and even through your abdomen if you can come to lay all the way down. But the problem is getting your butt to touch the mat. So at first, I would suggest using a big bolster, a huge gigantic pillow to place in between so that you can get comfortable. Once you're there, you can then come to a block underneath, which will help you to get comfortable. And then eventually, as your bottom becomes a little bit closer to the mat, maybe even just using a blanket to relax. And I would go in that order of bolster, block, blanket. If your knees feel any tension in this pose, then find the appropriate prop that works for you. Even if you're not feeling a stretch while using the prop, that's beside the point because we want to train our bodies to be comfortable in this pose in the first place. The hero pose myth. Sometimes we look at a yoga pose and go, wait, my joints don't bend that way. And this is especially true in hero pose. In hero pose, it looks like your knees are actually bending out to the side because your feet are coming to the side. But what's actually happening is that there's a gentle inward rotation of your legs because your knee is only going to bend one way anyway, right? So the challenge is when you're here is to actually encourage this inward rotation. So if you squeeze your knees together while being up here on your knees, keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. It encourages that inward rotation so that you're not actually taxing your knee joints quite so much when you do eventually sit all the way down. And once you understand that that rotation is actually kind of happening inside of your hips, like your leg bones are rotating inward, then hero pose starts to be a little less scary. And for a full class that helps you to understand hero pose a lot better and just loosens up through the whole lower half of your body, go ahead and click on the card here on the screen. It's roughly a 25-minute class and it goes through all the tips in this video and a lot more. But now let's move on to the third part. I've saved a really good tip for last. The ultimate hero hack. If hero pose in yoga is the bane of your existence because your bottom is almost touching but it's not quite there on the mat, then I have a really good tip that will hopefully get you there. This happens to a lot of people because usually they're sitting on a block and they go, wow, this is really comfortable. And the moment they remove the block, they're fine here, here, here. But then as soon as their bottom starts to get to touch the mat, that's when they feel the tension in their knees and they can't quite hold it. So if this is you, then here is the tip. You'll want to lay all the way down on the mat, bend your knees, and then walk your knees together and hold here and allow your feet to fall out to either side. Then what you want to do is place your legs on the ground as close as you can with your knees touching, and then push yourself back. Keep pushing yourself back. Keep pushing yourself back. You'll notice that your knees are really close together here, and you should be able to sit all the way down because you've pre-programmed that kind of inward internal rotation of your legs. This one weird adjustment is going to feel, very weird, but practice it a few times and you'll see what I mean because your legs start to do that inward rotation a lot more when you start from laying all the way down versus from just trying to do this from a seated position. And for that full class where we do a deep dive into hero pose and just loosening up the whole lower half of your body, simply click on the video here on the screen.